Talking about affordability, well, this was supposed to be a game changer for urban development and affordable housing in the Mumbai metropolitan region. But like all mega projects in India, specifically in Mumbai, the complexities of land acquisition seem to threaten its future. We're talking about Navi Mumbai's Grand Plan City, NAINA, which stands for the Navi Mumbai Airport Influence Notified Area. Nikhil Narayan Shivdas gets us the inside story on what's stalling it.
The City and Industrial Development Corporation, or CIDCO's, ambitious NAINA project has run into problems. Like its other star projects, the Navi Mumbai International Airport and the Trans-Harbour Link, CIDCO is facing land acquisition problems with NAINA too.
गांव के अंदर एवरेज महाराष्ट्रन गांव के अंदर 2000 एकड़ जगह होती है और उसके जो ओनर्स होते हैं वो भी 100, 200, 300 जितने गांव वाले हैं जो इन्वेस्टर्स हैं उनके पास ओनरशिप होती है तो काफ़ी लैंड एरियाज क्लियर नहीं है कोई लिटिगेशन में है कोई लैंड ओनरशिप बहुत छोटी है.
Now there is tremendous opposition to acquisition of land. So we have developed a new model. If they are not surrendering 40% of the land, then the land which is required for infrastructure will be acquired. So I'll have to go in for a land acquisition and they will not participate in NAINA scheme. We'll have to acquire that land for infrastructure and they will have to pay infrastructure development charges. They get 0.5 FSI and they can develop their area.
CIDCO is currently holding multiple meetings with landowners and stakeholders to resolve this. But until then, development in NAINA remains stuck. Worsening the problem is the high infrastructure development charge that CIDCO is asking for. This is expected to hike costs by nearly 500 rupees per square foot. Developers claim that this will lead to affordable housing in NAINA becoming unaffordable.
जो मार्केट लिंक वैल्यूएशन पे रहेगा सो वो अराउंड अभी 500 रुपया आ रहा है आगे जाके मीटर पे 1000 रुपया होगा 1500 होगा सो ये चार्जेस इतने हेवी इन्होंने जो दिए हैं या प्रपोज किए हैं ये परवड़े ऐसा बिल्डरों को नहीं है.
In addition to this, developers are demanding that CIDCO end the practice of levying infrastructure development charges even before infrastructure is laid out. As a result, the builder lobby and CIDCO are at an impasse, which is expected to lead to further delays for NAINA.
CIDCO का अपना point of view है कि आप इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कॉस्ट हमको पहले दो. बिल्डर को ये डर लगता है कि मैंने पहले इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का पैसा दिया तो CIDCO उसको पूरा करेगी कि नहीं.
आज भी उल्वा तलोजा में लोग रह नहीं पा रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और यही सिनारिया अगर वहाँ पे डेवलपमेंट चार्ज लेके या इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट चार्ज लेके CIDCO करना चाहती है तो ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं है क्योंकि एक तो वहाँ पे बिल्डर कोई जल्दी प्लान पास करने जाएगा नहीं क्योंकि बहुत हेवी चार्जेस है. सेकंड थिंग अगर गया मान लो तो भी कंस्ट्रक्शन करेगा नहीं क्योंकि इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं है.
CIDCO's marked lack of success in developing proper infrastructure is beginning to tell against its reputation of being one of the only planning agencies in Maharashtra to fulfill its obligations on time. As a result, investor interest in NAINA is quickly fading and experts are calling for NAINA's management to be rethought.
वो इन्वेस्टर जो चाह रहे थे कि हम 6 महीने साल में हमारा प्रोजेक्ट का बिगिनिंग मतलब हम अपना प्रोजेक्ट शुरू कर दें और 3-4 साल में ख़त्म करके हम लोग अच्छा एक प्रोजेक्ट बना के निकल जाएं, वो लोग मार्केट से चले गए हैं.
In my opinion, now the CIDCO required 3 chief executive officers, 3 CEOs, 1 for NAINA, 1 for airport and 1 for Trans-Harbour Link.
While some say that these are just teething troubles faced by any big-ticket project, it's crucial the government takes steps to correct this to ensure that NAINA does not go the Navi Mumbai International Airport way. From Mumbai, Nikhil Narayan Shivdas, NDTV.